the bathroom, so I'm going to take a beard. No, doo-doo. Yeah. And this start coming on my mind. A lot of these girls don't know the roles they play in a guy's life. Matey. For those who don't understand the term matey, matey mean a girl on the side. So I'm going to break down a couple steps and teaching you how to know where you are. How to tell if you're a matey? 1. If you see him text you like 3, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, want to have some deep conversation with you? Yeah, mate. 2. If you see him on the road with him girlfriend and him get a face, yeah, mate. 3. You write a post on him wall on Facebook and him direct message you, yeah, mate. 4. If you tweet him and him no respond, yeah, mate. 5. You don't want him girlfriend no boy, yeah, mate. I don't have enough finger on my hand, so 5 and 1. 6. This is the most important part. If you and him take a picture and him untag himself out of the picture, yeah, matey. Nothing wrong with being a matey or a girl on the side. I hope everybody enjoy them Labor Day weekend. I'm going to go to Brooklyn tomorrow, couple of days. So if you're there in Brooklyn, Canary Sea or anywhere near there, so link me up. We're going to go to the parade. Hey party! Okay, I'm done.